Follow me. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Sígame a mi canal. That way I got follow my channel. I'm finna be talking to see them Mexicans. When I talk to them in that Spanish, they be like, they're gonna fuck with me. When I speak it in Spanish, they laugh and pull that phone out. I got their ass. Come on.
Mita.
I'll be like, they because some of them be trying to get away. Oh, no English. Oh, don't worry. God damn, don't worry. Suscríbete a mi canal. Sígame a mi canal. Dale me gusta. Dile tu tío. Dile tu abuelito. It's over with. I got them. Yeah. Look out racing on YouTube.
No comprende español.
No shit.
I'm trying to get my shit all the way in Mexico, man. I need to get in Mexico. Yeah, I need to get to the Mexico. I'm learning my Spanish. See chemicals. You know, see chemical that's burning rubber. You know, you got smoke. I've been learning all my Spanish. It's
all right.
Oh, Edward says already there.
Already there. Yep.
That's what's up.
Oh shit, y'all been live for 4 hours.
4 damn hours.
Damn.
Yeah, we had somebody on earlier. We had a badass. We had Ashley Mork on.
She's a girl racer, got a twin turbo Mustang.
What?
Out of Chicago. Yeah. She powder coats and shit. Real cool chick.
Now I know another cool girl y'all can have. Oh damn, she got a bad bitch too. That's hers.
That's her.
Oh, her name Ash.
Yep, Ashley, Bad Ash.
Oh shit.
I'll show you.
Let me see how she look.
That's pulling up right now.
Okay.
That's her old man. That's her old man back there.
Oh shit. A small block.
She's cool ass people, man. She's cool.
I know. You know a girl named Lacey Blur.
Yeah.
Yeah, she cool.
I follow her.
Yeah, you probably could get her on her Limpy.
I've messaged her.
She ain't a no prep type person, but she be on. Damn, who was that?
That's her.
That's Ashley on the one on the with the tattoos.
I ain't worried about that one.
They do up in Chicago. They do cancer rides,
snowmobile rides and shit.
Damn. Okay.
Yeah, I think I sent Lacey Blair a message on getting her on here, and I never did get a response.
Yeah, Lacey, but I'm gonna tell her she real cool.
Yep, I follow her channel and shit.
Yeah,
yeah, I'm gonna tell her she be on every man. The way she be on there. She be doing everything.
We'd love to have her on here.
Yeah, yeah. She got a decent block though. She decent.
Anybody knows her, tell her to holler at me.
I'm gonna see if I can message her.
Yeah,
she know about them diesel trucks. See, Limpy probably don't know about them diesels.
Oh yeah,
he knows enough.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I know enough about them. I know you don't want, man. Any kind of diesel truck in Texas, you don't want to fuck with. They got tune.
That one with the flatbed looked like old farm truck.
I like them diesel trucks. I remember when they was talking about when I was younger, telling me, man, them diesel trucks will take nitrous. I was like, oh, that shit sound good.
Crazy Horse got 6 systems.
Damn, they doing it like that.
Crazy Horse got 6 kits on it.
More than you?
Yeah. He got 6 fucking kits. You've seen it before too at the Gut. It was at the Gut for that first race that Limpy flagged. She was at. It was that white diesel truck.
Let's see if I can find it.
That Crazy Horse, real big down the side. It's got 6 systems on it. He's trying to go for a world record. Some shit.
It's too much goddamn nitrous. How the hell that motor hold more nitrous?
Man, they hold a lot. They hold 100 pounds of boost.
Do they be having the concrete they blocks?
Some of them, yeah.
Or them blocks already strong enough to hold.
They run crazy ass sleeves and shit in them. They do everything. I mean, some of them's got billet blocks with billet heads. Yeah, they got real shit too.
Let's see this.
Okay, Ohio putting out some killer diesel power plants.
Yeah.
Oh, they say that's the truck that almost hit me at the hood track. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's pulling up now. That one.
It's got 6 systems.
Well, that's too much. Hey,
That's full tube chassis, fiberglass body, the whole. That's a real deal race truck.
Yeah.
That bitch is bad.
You got Lex in and everything on that thing.
It's a bad bitch.
Yeah.
He can whoop some cars for sure.
Yeah.
He street race.
Oh yeah.
He 4-wheel drive though, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Damn.
There's a 1320 video of it out there. It's badass.
You can jump out there and actually have the advantage then.
That bitch is bad.
That's crazy.
All right.
Let's see.
Well, you want to give any shout outs? Look out.
Let me see, man. I know a couple people. Shout out to my boy. We got Stone Vet, Forever Grudge, Big Chief from the Street Outlaws, Booster GT, y'all too, Limpy and Happy. Let me see. Oh, my boy Joshua Brandon, Tickle Fits, Roswell Riley, Don't Master, and that's pretty much that's what it is.
That's what's up, man.
Oh, Sticky Pickle. I forgot Sticky Pickle. They're my people too. Sticky Pickle and Mac Daddy Pro Line hand cleaner. Yeah.
That's
Mac
what's
Daddy
up, man.
I've been washing my hands. Patrol free.
Appreciate you come on, man, for a little bit. We just on here
y'all
bullshit.
letting me on. Let me be a little bit. Let me tell the world the truth and show them my new design. And,
That's what's up.
let y'all laugh 1 or 2 times. One time for the one time. Look out, look out.
That's what's up, man.
Oh, yeah, and Demonology. Yeah, I forgot about my boy Demonology. Shout out to him too one time for the one. Y'all had him on the show yet?
No. I'll be down, though.
I'm going to get him. I'm going to let him and Lacey Blur know.
Tell him to holler at us.
Already.
You got your new sub right there.
All right, appreciate that, Joseph Cummings. Oh, he got damn. Is that your last name? And you got a truck? Boy, that's cold blooded. Oh no, you a Cummings, not a Ford. God damn, that's messed up, dude.
What's up, Nitrous Nikki?
What's up?
All right, man. Well, y'all had y'all a good night, man. I appreciate y'all.
You too, man.
All right.
You too. I'll see you soon.
See you tomorrow night, maybe.